everyone. Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So today we have an update from Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. As have already know, those students who have written Clat 2023 examination already got allocation under different counseling procedures of Clat consortium, but still some seats are left vacant under different universities. So it is for the benefit of those students, different universities in their own websites are releasing the vacancies available. So for the convenience and comfort of our students, we at Abhyaas Law Prep has created a dedicated portal for those who are waiting for vacancies. So just open the Google and type NLU vacant seats. So you will be getting a link of Abhyaas Law Prep. The first link, you click on the link, we will be directed to the dedicated page where you will get an update on vacancies available under different universities and their notification links. So this is the portal. Here you will be getting a link whenever the university releases releases the vacancies. We will immediately update the link in this particular page. So stay tuned to this page for the information for your required national law universities. So today we are going to discuss about GNLU Gandhinagar. So the link, it has released a notification on 23rd June 2023, and here is the link for that. Let us look how to apply for Gujarat National Law University. First, look into the details of Gujarat National Law University. According to the university website, it has total 3 vacant seats as of now. Under SC women category 1 vacant seat and OBC category 2 vacant seats. But in future also vacancies may appear in the with the Gujarat National Law Universities. So as per the notification, it has said that whether there is availability of vacant seat or not, if you are interested in applying for Gujarat National Law University Gandhinagar, irrespective of the available vacant seats, you can apply after paying 4,000 rupees non-refundable deposit before 27th June 2023 5 p.m. So this is the final deadline. So if you apply after paying this fee, so your candidature will be considered for any vacancies if available in future also. So this is the final notification given by Gujarat National Law University Gandhinagar for filling the vacancies, and in future if in any category if new vacancy arises, so those who have paid now, their candidature will be considered. So no new notification will be given, no new procedure will be announced. So this is the data given by Gujarat National Law University. So let us look how to apply for this. So click on this particular link. After clicking, this page of GNLU will appear. Click on the UG program and fill the details as per your registered Clat ID. So student name, father name and mother name. So these details should be provided as per the 10th mark sheet, the same which you have provided in the Clat website. And gender, category and date of birth, email ID, mobile number, nationality and category which you are applying for. This is a horizontal category, whether you are applying for PWD, Gujarat domicile, PWD, etc. And this is the vertical category. So general, SC, ST, OBC, EWS. This is all India category. This is the horizontal state level categories. And after filling all these details, you have to mention about your address, the city which you belongs to, and the state, the country, and the pin, and your Clat roll number. You have to fill your Clat roll number, all India rank which you got in the Clat examination, and your score. So after filling all these details, you have to upload the required mark sheets. 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, caste certificate if you are applying for any particular category, your caste certificate, your Clat admit card, your Clat score card. So this caste certificate is only for those candidates who are applying under reservation seats. For OCs, you need not require any caste certificate. So after all these things, Click on this I accept all the terms and conditions and save, so that the page will be redirected to the payment page. After paying 4,000 rupees, your application will be finally submitted and you will be getting the confirmation link from the university. So that is the thing, that the confirmation link is mandatory, because that link shows that your payment was successful and your candidature was registered with GNLU. So this is a procedure to apply for vacant seats under Gujarat National Law University, and this notification is final for all the vacancies which may available in future also. So, and if you have any doubts, you can always contact us at Abhyaas Lawprep, and at the end of this video, we will provide you the contact details as well as the payment link in the description, not payment link, as well as the website link in the description, so that if you have any doubt, you can always contact us and we will always help you to guide. So utilize this opportunity, those who did not get any allocation, and uh, all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.